The documentary Captain Qomolangma follows Chinese mountaineer Sula and his team as they scale the world's highest mountain in 2019. The team consisted of 7 experienced guides and 8 amateur mountaineers. After some 40 days of climbing, they finally reached the peak on May 15th, becoming the first team to scale the summit that year.
Just over 500 people in China have climbed Mount Qomo-lang-ma. Through this documentary, I want to give more people the opportunity to enjoy the beauty of Mount Qomo-lang-ma.
As an ordinary person, we may never have the chance to climb Mount Qomo-lang-ma in our lifetime, but through the documentary, we can follow their adventure and see the stunning scenery. The film also shows their dedication to reach the top despite hardships.
The film sets a new record of completing aerial photography with a drone taking off at the highest altitude above 8,470 meters.
We started systematic training 5 years ago and accumulated experience in shooting at high altitude. Even so, the filming was still very difficult, especially above 7,000 meters. Every step is hard, the risk of lives to bring back all the material.
Because of COVID-19 outbreaks in parts of the country, Captain Qomolangma was screened to limited audiences throughout the country.
First, we screened the film to a specific audience, like climbers and outdoor sports enthusiasts. We hope the good reputation of the film will spread by word of mouth, so more people know about it. Then, when it's released to the public, more people will be interested to see the film in cinemas.
Chinese media company Alamede is devoted to helping the promotion of documentaries and independent movies. A limited theatrical release is a proven way of helping films find their right audience. Sula and his team hope more viewers will come to know of the documentary and be able to appreciate the immersive experience. 新西CGTN